What's going on, YouTubers? It's Kurt in the World coming back at you with another video of mine. Today I noticed that my altar that I have in my room has been giving me like strange noises, strange voices that are in the background every time I shoot a video and stuff, and I'm just going to set the video up today in front of my altar and see if I can pick up anything. Make sure that if you hear anything or you see anything, please comment down below, and I will definitely check that over again. But yes, I'm going to have my camera set up in front of my altar, and I'm going to see if I can pick up anything. Please make sure to like and subscribe my video, and let's get this stuff going. Alright, see if I can get this set up here. There we go. So so I'm just going to leave this camera here. If you hear anything, please let me know in the comments, and let's just do this. So I'm going to walk out of here, out of the room, and I'm just going to let this sit down. Please like and subscribe to my video. Daddy? What you doing, Daddy? I know you in here. I know you in here and stuff. Hey guys, I forgot that I left my dog in here, so you might heard things from Sassy, which she's right here. Say hello, Sadie. Say Sadie. Say good dog. Yeah, Sadie right there, people. Sorry about having a messy bed. I'm hoping the time that we had, I was out in the living room doing some stuff on the other computer, but hopefully we might have heard something, because I've been experiencing strange sounds and just strange voices, and you know, it's just hard to make out and stuff. I know in the last video that I did, that I have not uploaded, it had strange sounds, strange loud banging noises, tapping, scratches, all that stuff. So hopefully I might have picked up something. Please let me know if you hear anything that I've missed, and I will see you guys later.